Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. Apple Vision Pro is a new virtual reality headset that was announced at WWDC 2023. It is Apple's first foray into the VR market, and it is designed to be a high-end device for gaming, entertainment, and productivity. Here are some of the highlights of Apple Vision Pro. High-resolution displays. The headset has two 1080p OLED displays with a combined resolution of 3600 x 1920 per eye. This provides a sharp and immersive VR experience. Eye tracking. The headset uses eye tracking to track your gaze and adjust the VR experience accordingly. This can be used for things like controlling the cursor in a VR environment or following the gaze of another person in a multiplayer game. Hand tracking. The headset uses hand tracking to track your hands and fingers in VR. This can be used for things like interacting with objects in a VR environment or playing games with your hands. Spatial audio. The headset supports spatial audio, which creates a 360-degree soundscape that surrounds you in the VR environment. This can be used for things like listening to music or watching movies in VR. Pass-through mode. The headset has a pass-through mode that allows you to see the real world through the headset. This can be used for things like checking your surroundings or taking a break from VR. Apple Vision Pro is a powerful VR headset that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It is still too early to say how successful the headset will be, but it is a promising start for Apple in the VR market.